Good morning, happy Wednesday. It's mid of the week. We have our last school holiday week and we have a birthday today, so it's a very exciting day. And yeah, just got ready, took a fresh shower, and I just wanted to chit chat with you again back in English because I know I haven't done that for a while. Sometimes I just have to make sure, yeah, sometimes it's just difficult to see on what I have to focus. But I do know that I have a lot of English speaking followers, so I am going to go back to speaking more English with you guys. Yeah, that's my plan. But little makeup tutorial today. I got my new order, or if I have like fluid eyeshadow sticks. Not shiny at all, but I haven't tried it out, and I will just take you with me to see how it works. So let's go. Simple, basic makeup or BB cream, unbeaten combo is Peach Perfector Glow with the BB cream. You have like a very, very light skin when you use this one, the Peach Perfector. It has like peach oil, vitamins, and it's the perfect primer. I'm telling you. Okay, so when you look at the prices, you may think, okay, that's really cheap, so the quality must be really bad. It's not like it. It's not like it. Maybe the packages are a little bit smaller than expected, I would say, but this is also a good sign because you can actually use them and don't have it like in your shelf for 3 years because you don't know when you're done with it. Okay, so Peach Perfector, also one of my customers' favorites. So BB cream in the shade medium. We do have like 3 different colors. Medium is the one that suits me perfect, and it has like a really great coverage as well. So it has SPF 10, so a light sun protection. So if you're somewhere outside, make sure that you have like SPF in your skincare. Or if it also has like great skincare with SPF 50 or 30, so you're perfectly protected when you go outside. But this BB cream is not a foundation. It's just a BB cream, but it has like the perfect coverage, and I use it basically as a makeup, and it feels so good. It smells so soft and can be used for any occasion. If you're going to work, if you're going out for dinner, you can literally use this one as well. Okay, so this combination is just awesome, and I think I've shown it so many times. And it doesn't look like anything masky at all, I would say. So guys, this is just the BB cream. No foundation, no cover stick, no concealer on it yet, just the BB cream. And it has like a very, very glowy, it will set a little bit. You have to give it like a few minutes until it's set. I always use a powder anyway on top of it. I always do that because I use the powder as like an eyeshadow primer, which you can perfectly use this one from Uncolor. So concealer, I always have to use it. And when I use like a medium darker makeup, I always make sure that the concealer is a little bit lighter. So you have like the, I don't know, it shines a little bit out and looks a little bit fresher than using like a darker one. If you use a darker one, you just have to make sure that it doesn't make you look old. So basically this makeup is done within maybe 5 minutes, I would say. But of course it takes a little bit longer with me because I tend to speak a lot. So that's how it's going to look like when it's going to be, you know, like set it, like 2 to 3 minutes, it will look totally different and it suits your skin tone. So a little bit of powder. And you will not believe how affordable this range is. It's just unbelievable. Let's talk about these 3 products. When they're on sale, probably you're under 20 euros. You're under 20 euros with these products. It's just amazing. So let's try out the eyeshadows. Okay, so you're going to be the first ones. Let me try out this color Espresso. I already tried it out on my hand. It's very, very pigmented. Oh my gosh. So I will try to work it out and blend it a little. Fingers crossed. Oh my gosh. Look at this. You can easily blend it and it doesn't look like fluid anymore. Can you see this? Oh my gosh. Okay. So I used too much of a product. So let me try. I can. So you did see how much I used. It wasn't a lot at all. But I'll get that. Look at this. It's not even shiny. Very natural. Wow. I'm impressed. Because it looks very, very fluid here. It's very thick. So let's go with the light one. And let's see how that works. This is the color Sand. So I used Sand and Espresso. Wow, amazing. Because I used too much of the espresso, I'm going to put in a lot of, or a little bit of the sand color to even it out. You can always fix it. When you think, okay, you've used too much product, you can always fix things. That's the good thing with makeup. Look at this, gorgeous. And so easy to use. So I always put a little bit of eyeshadow like a little bit higher because I'm wearing glasses, and if you put on your glasses you can actually see the eyeshadow. Okay, if I only put it onto the lid, you're not going to see it well when you wear glasses. So next step would be, I'm going to use the Iconic Lash Mascara from Jordani Gold because you get free shipping with it, so I ordered it this month. And I will also use this eye pencil in brown. Okay, I have to clean it up, I see. I'll be right back. So that's it, very simple. These eyeshadow sticks are literally brand new, but I haven't tried them out yet. So I took the chance because they were on sale. We have 3 different colors, natural colors. This is Espresso, Bronze, and Sand. I can really recommend that because they're not shiny at all, very matte, very easy to use. So I can totally recommend this one. Also, the mascara from Jordani Gold. So you can see, you can combine high-end products along with the affordable on color makeup, and it looks great. It looks gorgeous. Okay, no one would ever believe that you're using like an affordable product that is actually good for your wallet. Okay, so let's move on with the Serum Pearls from Jordani Gold. I love them because you can't do anything wrong with them. Anything. So basically you get like the golden glow, the golden bronze, perfect for the late summer. And you don't need a lot. And you can see this. You get a perfect glow. Almost like contouring, I would say. So you got like the perfect shine. You even got serum in it. Very good for your skin. So nothing bad, only good quality. Yeah, and it lasts forever. This is the color Golden Bronze, made in Italy. So very high end. Now I am going to use our Ultra Fix liquid lipstick because they hold forever. Later on we will eat cake and drink coffee and whatever. And if you use this one, it will hold forever. I have shown it so many times in my stories. This is Ultra Fix. It won't go anywhere within, I don't know, hours. So basically, you put it on. You have to let it dry for at least, like, let's say 5 minutes before you drink or eat or anything. And once it's fixed, it's done. It's just done. You don't have to do anything else. So all I'm going to do now, because my hair is still shiny and soft, like I love it, I'm just going to brush it, put some oil in it, and that's it. I'm going to use this hair oil for medium thick hair. Just a little, as you can see. It has 6 precious oils in it. So all the good stuff that your hair needs to be healthy, shiny, glowy, and really soft. So basically, look at this. I have washed my hair, I think it was Saturday or Sunday. I'm not sure. Saturday or Sunday. And it's still so soft. So last step, perfume. I'm going to use the Essenza from Jordani Gold because this is my Italian scent, I would say. Very strong, but fruity, golden, not sure. It's just amazing. I just love this scent. So if you love Italy or southern countries, this is the one for you. I would recommend to check it out. So basically that's it for today. Very simple look. I hope you liked it. If you did, just give me your follow, a like, comment on the video if you have any questions, and I hope you're having a wonderful day. Talk to you tomorrow.